If you want to install GTA San Andreas on your iPhone, start by ensuring you have a stable and reliable internet connection, as the download requires uninterrupted access. Next, check that your iPhone is fully updated. Open Settings, go to General, and then tap Software Update. If an update is available, install it before proceeding, as this helps avoid compatibility issues during installation. After updating your device, open the App Store. Use the search bar and type GTA San Andreas. The game should appear in the results. Keep in mind that this is a paid application, so you will need a valid payment method linked to your Apple ID to complete the purchase. To add or verify your payment method, go back to Settings, tap your Apple ID name, then select Payment and Shipping. From here, you can add a new payment method or update an existing one. Once your payment details are set, return to the App Store and open the GTA San Andreas page again. Tap the Purchase button, confirm your payment, and the game will begin downloading automatically. That's all you need to do. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to ask.